Oh yeah, today I'm just going to show you how to solve the Rubik cubes. Quick instructions. The six face of the cube: green, orange, blue, red, yellow, and white. Right? You can change this corner, middle edge, this corner, middle edge. You can change it, but this one is a fixed. You can't change it. You always remember blue means this is a blue side. Yeah, orange side. Okay. We'll do start now. We have to take the Rubik cubes upside down to yellow side on the middle, right, like this. We have to keep the, we have to bring the all the white edges, middle edges over here, right? We'll do it now. Okay. Right. The middle white, all the middle white comes on it. Now we have to match the middle, right? This doesn't match now. We have to turn the, keep the blue on the blue side, right? It's matched. We have to upside down turn like this. Okay. Again, green matched, upside down, red, upside down, now orange, upside down. Now we got the cross of the white. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to take the corners, right? Corners should be, example, red and blue and white. It should becomes over here white. You have to match with. Now I'm going to find, right, red and blue white. So over here, what I'm going to do, I take this one is up, right? I'll match it. Again, I'm going to match blue and orange. Blue and orange. I'm going to check this blue and orange and take the blue on blue side. This orange, right? I'm going to take this blue top. Okay. Now I'm going to take up. This is orange. I'm take the orange side. This is a green. Orange, green. I'm going to take this top down, pick up, right. Okay, now last one we have to solve it out. Last one in the bottom of the cube. Get this one. Yeah, this one comes to here, right? This one comes to here. I'm going to turn this away, back, come up, go away, come down, and again come down, and take this one up and go up, and this one away, come down, then back and up. See, now we have done the white and all the edges. See. Okay. Okay, now we are going to do middle layers, right? We done already white layer, right? We keep the cubes upside down, the white face on the down. Now we have to match with the middle, these edges, right? First of all, we have to do the middle edge to match with this middle. Okay, we have to find out, okay, this is a red. I'm just going to turn into the red side. So I matched it. This middle one goes to here. Can you follow the turn? Okay. White, the middle one comes. We have to find out, this is a green. I'm take into the green. Oh yeah, I take into the green. Right. This green one comes to here. Same turn. Right. Now, can you see anything? Right. This one's supposed to come to here, right? This one's supposed to come to here. This is messed up now, okay? But don't worry, I'll show you. First of all, we have to take this middle cube on this side, right? Okay, how to do it? Same method, follow it. If anything middle one, you have to change on the back, right? Okay, this one is matched over here, right? Just follow the turn. Okay, now done. You can see the orange one here. We have to match it, the orange one, right? Now, right, orange one matched it. This one is goes to here. Now follow the method. Right, now other one is orange and blue. I'll match it. Same turn, you have to do it. Right, now we have done the two layers. Okay, now we are going to solve on the top layer. On the top layer, we always matched with the middle, right? The middle doesn't match, right? We have to match the middle, right? Now you can see the white yellow line. If the white yellow line comes, right, it's easy way to make a cross line. Okay, now we need cross yellow, right? How to take the cross yellow, I'll show you how to do it. Right, if you do on your cube, if the yellow line doesn't comes, right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to another video how to take the yellow line, right? It's already yellow line comes, right? Now we are going to make the cross yellow, right? Let's follow the cubes. Okay, right, the yellow line comes. Okay, now we are going to match the middle, right? Green has been matched, but others doesn't match. How to do it? Follow the turn. Red matched. Again, same turn. Again, same turn. If anything goes wrong, but don't mess it up on the both two layers. You have to same method which I'm turning, you have to follow it. Okay, again, right, right, yeah, this has been done. We have to follow the same turn every time until the middle match. Okay, so all the match. Now we are going to do the corners. Before you do the corners, you have to match the corners, all the colors, right? This one is, see, the orange, blue, it doesn't match. It doesn't match because it's orange, it should be orange and blue, right? This one is matched, but this one is already matched. See, blue, red, orange and yellow. We have to do on the match cube on the corner, you have to keep on your left hand side, right, front, like this, on this side. Okay, follow the turn. Right, can you check it? Right, these two already match, right? This all already match. Orange, orange, green, green, yellow. This one already match. Red, blue and yellow. Now, okay, now we are going to turn the corners. Okay, now we'll do the corners. Now we have to take the Rubik cubes upside down on this side. white face. Right, see, you can see the red should become here, right? It's an easy method. Follow the turn. Okay, one, right, this comes over here, right? Now what we have to do, which one is doesn't match on the corner, we have to take into the this side, right? Again we have to match. Okay, same rhythm, follow it. This is the way we have to do the Rubik cubes.